Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful wall hanging. So let's get started. So we have to start by attaching 4 sets and each set is having 8 cords. First 8 cords are of 80 inches, then second set of 8 cords is 100 inches, then again 100 inches, and this fourth set of 8 cords is again 80 inches. So 80, 100, 100, 80. First you have to take these 80 inches 8 cords, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and start making. Pick this first cord and start making diagonal double half hitch like this. So now you can see I have these 4 patterns. Now count these cords. There should be 8 cords here and 8 here. These 8 cords, use them like this. Leave this 2, leave these 2, and pick these 2, pick these 2. And rest of the 4 cords on both sides, you have to make a grand square knot. Like this. Now 8 cords and leave these 2 and these 2, leave these 2, 2, 4 here, 4 here, make square knot like this. So in this way you will complete this diamond shape pattern. For this you have to leave these 2, 1, 2, these 2 and these 2, pick these and make a square knot. So we have 2 here and 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we have total 6 cords on the right side and 6 cords on the left side. 2 are coming from here, which we left earlier. So by picking this first cord, you have to use these 6 cords and wrap them like this, make diagonal double half hitch. You have to cover this area with the rope. like this. Don't pull it too tight. You only need to keep the line in a diagonal shape like this. Use the 6 cords from the right side and 6 from the left side. This is the first row I've done. So one more to go like this. So it's always better to count the middle rows and divide them like I did, that 6 cord on the right and 6 on the left. So now I have 6 cord here. That means this row is completed. So pick this first cord and start making diagonal double half hitch like this. So in the same manner you have to complete this, and then we will create 2 square knots here and then 1 square knot here. So complete this pattern in this manner. Now you have to leave 1 cord from each side like this, and then make diagonal half hitches like this. And keep doing that until you reach 3 rows down, and we will get a pointed shape like this. So I have attached 5 cords by the help of larks and knot, and now take the middle cord like this and switch it like this and start making diagonal double half hitch. So over, under, right? And this time for the second cord, under, over, under and over, and pull the cords like this. Again for the third one, over, under and under. So we are making this weave pattern in a crisscross manner. And the last one, now this time under, over. Pull the cords to adjust like this. Keep one side cords aside so that it will be easy for you to make double half hitch in this way. So now you can pull the cord here and wrap all the working cords over this resting cord and complete the diamond shape. Second one is here, so this is third. Keep adjusting them. Like this. And the last one here. So this is the pattern and this is the shape, and now You have to close it. For the second one, continue from here. Create 8 patterns like this, 1, 2 and 6 more on the right side and 8 patterns in total on the left side. Then we will join them like this. Once you are done with this pattern, now you have to choose these cords. These are 5 cords attached here by the help of larks and knot, and on the other side also. These are 200 inches cord, and we will create the diamond shape just like we did here. But instead of crisscross pattern, we will add square knot in between. So let's get started. So as you can see, I just made 11 diamond shaped patterns here, and now we have to join them together. After completing this pattern, you have to gather all the cords here just like we did it here, and make square knot by holding 2 here and 2 from these, bring them together and make square knot. Now the last 2 cords, 2 from the right and 2 from the left, and make a grand square knot by getting all the knots like this. Pull these to adjust So now I have attached these 4 cords here by the help of larks head knot, and these are 120 inches of cords. Now you have to make square knot. One, 2 square knots, and now here by picking these 2 cords. Attach 25 inches of cord by the help of larks head knot on this square knot which we made to join the diamond shape pattern, and adjust it like this. Keep it so tight and in the middle. Add a bead. So this is the easiest way to create leaves or feather. Take 240 inches of cord and start making picot square knots like this. For the detailed tutorial on this, please see the link in the description box, and you can see the both methods of creating leaves by using the scrap of leftovers and also by using picot square knots. So after completing the picot square knots, now you may cut the cords like this, and then unfold your cords, comb them, and apply glue plus water to stiff your leaves. You may also use hairsprays. And this is another way to create leaves of feather. Take your scrap, and in this way you can utilize the leftovers also. Take 2 cords like this, and as you can see, attach them. It is like making square knot. To make such leaves, the link of tutorial is given in the description box, so you may check it. Yes, you can get help by your little ones. This is part glue and water, and apply them on leaves like that. Dry and they will get stiff. Now shape your leaves after drying, and here you can see the wall hanging is just ready. I hope you love this beautiful wall hanging. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next video, please take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.